Hello, once again. Time to take a look at what's happening in these markets. I'm Susan Littlefield here on the Rural Radio Network, and an interesting ride we are on with a lot of negativity and pullback going on. As you can see, Darin Fessler joins us. He is with Lakefront Futures. So let's talk about that pullback because there's a lot of factors that are influencing what we see in the trade.
Oh, there certainly is. I think there's a lot of uncertainty going into next week for sure. We have the tariffs on April 2nd. We have quarterly stocks, planning intentions. So there's a lot of uncertainty about, what may transpire with that, not with just the U.S. markets, but also with our trading partners. And we're looking at a South American crop right now in Safrina that doesn't have a whole lot of issues weather-wise, even though we're going to switch gears really quickly as we turn the calendars to April next month here and really start focusing on that Western Corn Belt where it is dry. And the forecast continues to say, get out to that May, June, July timeframe. That dryness may continue.
So obviously, we don't have any control over the weather, but we know that there's been a lot of talk about, and we'll see it come Monday in the planning intentions report, that boost that's probably going to happen with the corn acres.
Oh, yeah. There's no doubt in my mind we're going to have a lot more corn acres year over year. The question is how much corn? Are we talking the 95 million? I'm not certainly in that camp, but that would definitely signal more of a bearish tone to this market. But I'm going to caution guys here. Even if you come in a little bit 94, 94.5, you got to be looking at what does yield say. If we're 182 yield, I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of people believing that number. So anything under, like say 94, I think you got to look at that and say, hey, that could be viewed as a little bit more favorable if there is some weather issues in the U.S. this spring and into summer.
Lots of factors that are going to be weighed into it, add to it the tariffs and all that are going to pile on. It's going to make for an interesting a couple more days of market trade.
Oh, there absolutely is. And I think buckle up because next quarter, boy, it's going to be interesting.
All right. Well, we're going to talk about that and a whole lot more later today as Darin will be joining me during the channel final bell. So stick around for that. And if you happen to miss it, don't worry. You can pick it up as a podcast located at ruralradionetwork.com. And that's a look to the markets. I'm Susan Littlefield for the Rural Radio Network.